Okay, so this video was requested to show you how to use these. Because they're hinged, I cannot put them all the way on my hands because they will not be able to be removed because you can't stretch enough to reach the key. First, I'm going to show you some of the features of the locking mechanism. So, as you might have seen in the last video, this is the key. So, right there, that is a little pin. So as you see right here, I can, sorry, I'm trying to get good lighting in here. I can move this like that and it opens, right? Close it. Now if I was to push this pin in right here, see that pin again, little silver dot right there, I think, yeah, right here. Alright, take the tip of this, you push in. Now the dot's not there, it's just a hole, right? And then it's in there. Well, does it? It doesn't budge either. So then it's basically a double lock mechanism, so you have to turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, and you should be able, oh, wait, there. It's a double locking mechanism, very difficult, so criminal. Now I can cuff one of my hands to try kind of show how the locking mechanism works. So yeah, let's get all this open. I'm gonna go get something that makes the lighting better in here. Okay, that might work. Okay. So I'm gonna close this one up real quick. Okay, so you want their hand to be like this. So say their hands are behind their back, because if their hands are behind their back, this form here, with the lock facing outwards, of course, means they can't like reach behind their back to grab the to try to, if they had like a pick. So it's very supportive of that. So as you see, now I'm gonna do the double lock mechanism. Say you had someone, you know, just in case. Okay, so now the double lock mechanism's active. So, you know, say I managed to get the key and somehow twist my hand. I'm gonna open this. Oh no. Oh, won't open, right? That's because the officer, or, you know, whatever you have, and that's why you don't open them, has to do that. To then twist and pull side to side like so, and then you should be able to pull your key. Yep. So it's actually very kind of difficult. These here were about $80, and when you're holding a suspect, you usually have the key part facing out away towards you, so that way they can't bend their hand back and somehow manage to pick the lock. With these, you usually hold a suspect or a person by their arm or shoulder and put one hand on the back and escort them. Well, with this, you can hold it here, you know, and just push them, lock them. I actually have a security company, well, small little business. It's not like one of those major businesses. We don't really make a lot of money, but we're starting out, so it's still good. If you're law enforcement or security, or just fascinated with these things, I do recommend these. These are probably your the best pair. And they can go around your ankle or too, because you know. I mean, they don't kind of close as much, but all works. Right. I didn't have double lock on that time, but you can use it as an anklet if you're escorting a prisoner or something. Yeah. So real quick, I'll show you this. Ready? Like the little quick slap on. And usually though, you do it to both hands. There's not really much more to really explain or show about this, but there are a good little handcuffs. So please like, subscribe. Remember, free Xbox Live card giveaway for 20 subscribers. I'm gonna say the 20th subscriber will get the subscription. Thank you.